May I come in, sir?
Yes, please do.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
You're Mr. Satyam.
Yes.
Satyam Gandhi.
Yes.
Satyam, I just want to draw your attention to the fact that you are sitting at around 12-13 feet from anybody in this room, right?
Yes.
You're at a safe distance.
Yes.
We have kept this arrangement to ensure that you feel safe and you can safely remove your mask considering that you are at safe distance, right? Please do.
Thank you, sir.
So, Satyam, comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Satyam, I would like to inform my fellow board members that Satyam is basically from Samastipur, Bihar.
Yes, sir.
I can also see that Satyam has done his graduation from University of Delhi in 2020,
Yes.
right? It was BA Honours in Political Science. Is there any other information you would like to share with the board?
Sir, I completed all my schoolings from Kendriya Vidyalaya Arvipusa in Bihar itself, and then I moved for the graduation in DU. And from the last year, I am preparing for civil services. I have done few internships during my college days and also worked as a freelancer.
So Satyam, I can see that you are barely eligible right now, right? You are around 21 years old. You completed your 21 years last month
Yes.
only. Considering that, I mean, I understand that you are eligible and that's why you're here.
Yes.
But if you leave the eligibility part apart, things apart, don't you think that you're too young? You're too immature right now. I mean, it's not, I'm not saying it as a matter of disrespect. Everybody at your age is likely to be you only. But don't you think that civil services is too big a thing, too mature a thing, expectations are there? So you should actually complete your post-graduation, do a few things here and there, get that level of maturity and understanding, and only then come to the civil services.
Sir, I think today's civil services need energetic and enthusiastic person, which I believe I am. And from starting, I had in mind that I have to do civil services only, and I have certain ambitions and goals in my life which I would like to implement in future. That is why I have started early, and I wish to join the civil services very early.
That is even more worrisome for me, which effectively means that you're a person who were too focused, polarized in your upbringing, that you even at the age of 21 you're saying that you're doing it for very long period of time. You've been too focused into this, which effectively means that you're a very polarized person, and that's why probably more maturity is required. What's your take?
Sir, I think from the past 2 years I have done my UPSC preparation, and earlier I had done extracurricular activities in my college, and also I have done certain photography, filmmaking and various other things which are not in the syllabus or which are not part of UPSC syllabus per se. And furthermore, I think that since I just completed 21 years of age, so I am more enthusiastic person than others, and I think I can better contribute in the development of my nation.
Let us not dispute that you're young and energetic, though it is not necessarily a domain of the age. But still, do you believe there are a couple of things? There can be a couple of things which you lack because of your young age. Not really some kind of a criticism, but can you figure out 3 things in your personality which you believe that you will get only with time?
Sir, I do not see any problem right
No,
now.
let us not talk about problem. Let us believe that I'm looking at your ability to analyze your personality. Whether can you see that there are 3 problems in your personality, because there are 3 things you will be achieving only with the maturity, with the age.
Sorry, sir, I do not see anything.
So one is that you don't have the ability to analyze yourself. Can you mention 2 more? One, you just explained that you cannot analyze your personality. This is one problem. What are 2 other problems?
Sorry, sir, I would beg to differ with you. I can better analyze my
So then
personality.
analyze and tell me 3 things.
Sir, I have analyzed, but right
One
now
I told you. Give me 2 more.
Sir, I think that I have analyzed my personality and I do not find any such discrepancies into me. And
Okay.
even if there is, I think by the time I complete my training, I will be mature enough to deal with all the circumstances.
Okay. Let's accept what you're saying. You have mentioned that you cleared your ND examination.
Yes.
But you did not join.
Sir, I am colorblind. So that is why I was not found medically fit to join the academy.
But you mentioned police services in your options. If you're colorblind, why have you filled many police services here?
Sir, there are 5 levels of color blindness, and I am currently at CP4, and I am not aware of the level of color blindness that IPS requires. So I will see what happens in the medical, and it will decide my fate.
You got yourself medically examined in the UPSC earlier, and still you're not aware that what is the status of your, again, a immaturity thing?
Sir, I think I am aware of my status as per the requirements of armed forces, that is Air Force, Army, and Navy. But I am not aware of the status as per
But it's there
the
in
IPS.
it's there in the notification that is given to you. You didn't read the notification?
Sir, I have read the notification, but the level of color blindness is not mentioned there. It is only written color blindness. So.
Okay. Tell me, you have also mentioned that you like street photography.
Yes, sir.
If you're in a street and you have an object in mind, it is very difficult to take consent from the object before the photography. How do you manage that?
Sir, I think a street is a public space and it belongs as much to them as much to me. So,
Street in its physical form is a public space, but the individuals you are photographing, are they also public objects?
sir, they are not, but whenever I click the photo, after that I ask for the consent that if I can use this photo for my purpose or not. And if the object, I delete the photo.
Fine, thank you.